That's the cue. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Today is gonna be a very, very fun vlog. Right now, we're just chilling. I finished doing my live call this morning. Haven't taken any trades yet. Market's extremely choppy right now. It's not really giving any setups, so didn't want to force it, especially because of what we're gonna be doing. Well, you guys probably already know from the title what the heck we're about to do. Favor, come on. We're trying to shoot a nice, calm intro. Say hi to the camera. She got snacks and stuff over her mouth, so don't mind her. But yeah, I can't be out here wasting money. Faye, where are you going? This is so amazing to her that the blinds are just going up. You see this every morning, Favor. So we're staying pretty much break even for the day. If anything happens, I will let y'all know, but as of right now, it doesn't look like we're gonna get anything at all. We have NVIDIA earnings coming out tomorrow, which is going to kind of tilt the markets. I think the markets are a little bit scared of NVIDIA because every time NVIDIA earnings comes out, markets are super, super choppy. Probably what's gonna end up happening today and tomorrow, but we'll see. Hopefully we can make some money so we can go ahead and buy that Bugatti that we're about to go see today. You want a Bugatti?
Car.
A car?
Car.
You want Cairo? She want me to call her cousin. She don't care about the Bugatti. Honestly, I'm ready to go see some cars. You ready to go see some cars, Brian?
Let's go see some cars.
What are we thinking? Bugatti, what's it called?
Koenigsegg.
Koenigsegg? I think we'll go check those out, see if I even want to take up space in my garage for them stupid little things. Before we get into the video, I have to let you guys know about this crazy offer that I have for you guys. I will allow you guys to learn how to trade exactly how I trade, get all of my courses for over 65% off. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're already trading, this will drastically help you. It'll teach you literally everything I know about trading. So click the link inside the description down below to claim this for over 65% off. This will not last forever. So y'all hear me all the time talking about Lamborghinis, and I'm like, oh, I would never buy a Lamborghini. And my reasoning for that is I'm not a car person. I'm not like a flashy person. Y'all know me. I don't really spend money on flashy things. If y'all ever see me wearing any designer or anything like that, it's because my wife bought it. But someone has brought up some pretty good points to me just about having a supercar because it can open you up to relationships. And then also, if I don't like the car, I could just give it back. I'm gonna lose maybe 10K, but I can make that back pretty simply. If I did go supercar, it'd have to be like a Ferrari or something. I know I always wear that red Ferrari hat, so maybe it's just a sign I should buy myself a Ferrari. If I ever get the opportunity to buy the Ferrari truck, the SUV, the Pagano, what's it called? Do you know?
Ferrari truck?
Yeah.
The SUV?
Yeah. The Pagano something, whatever. If I ever get the opportunity to buy that, I would buy it. Let's come in here and see what they got going on. Maybe I'll fall in love. Maybe I'll walk out of here with absolutely nothing. I used to be Michael Jackson back in my day, you know what I'm saying?
A bucket seat in the back.
In the back?
Yep, and then that unique gray everybody likes.
What engine does it have?
It's gonna be the 8, but
V8.
Yeah.
Did you drive it?
Like 1 or 2. No, hell. I mean, the more exotic they are, the less chance I'm gonna go drive it.
You guys don't have any Cullinans?
No, man, we had 2 that just sold. We had a black
really?
And a blue.
Oh, it's like a dark blue, yeah.
Yeah, look at this interior. It was crazy spec car, like a 620 MSRP.
Dang.
That's nice.
That's actually not a bad price either.
That's a crazy car. Like 620 MSRP, but it sold for like 60K under sticker.
That's actually, them seats is pretty fire.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. Every time we try and shoot a car video, it rains. As you guys can see, it's literally raining right now. It doesn't fail. When we got my wife's car, it was raining. When we picked it up, it was raining. When we were supposed to drop it off, it was raining. And now here looking for another car, it's raining. This is a Cybertruck. I think this is the Cyber Beast, right? No. Yeah, this is the regular. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's getting pretty, it is getting pretty bad. I ain't gonna lie, this is actually pretty nice. It's like a little peanut butter brown. Like a little, not peanut butter, it's more like a mocha latte. Yeah. I really want red interior. This is like a cream interior.
Cream on cream?
I'm not a fan. No, I would wrap it anyways. I do like the G Wagons. I might go G Wagon. I didn't realize Urus's are so small. Like this is the same size as my wife's Tesla, the Model X. Like same height, I mean. Everything will draw too much attention. I don't like attention. I don't know, I'm not feeling the hype right now. I'm not feeling the hype.
It's the rain, bro.
The rain is killing the hype right now. Do he want some? You're welcome.
God bless y'all, man.
Have a blessed day, man.
I like how they take care of each other.
Yeah, he was cleaning. I think I told you this before. I keep money inside my. Oh, you're recording this? You're not supposed to record philanthropy, because then people think it's not real. You can record it, though, it's fine. Well, they can hear my story. No, they can hear my story. So I keep cash inside of my car all the time, because when we used to live downtown, we'd see homeless people all the time. And I always like want to get their money. So that's the only reason I keep cash inside my car. So if you ever see my car, and if you try and rob my, like if you break into my car, first of all, I wouldn't do that. But second of all, you'd be stealing from homeless people because the cash literally only goes to homeless people. I think I need to switch it to $20.
You should do 100 next time.
I should. You know what? Thank you, Brian. We're gonna do that. All right, so we just pulled up to Mercedes-Benz dealership. They'll let me test drive G Wagon here, but right now it's pouring raining and we're sitting in the car. I don't want to walk out of here and then be stuck in there talking for no reason when I can't see any cars. If I had to get a Lambo, a Ferrari, or a McLaren, I'd probably definitely get a Ferrari.
It seems like more of your style.
Yeah, like what Brian was telling me was like, first start getting money, they go buy a Lambo, they go rent a Lambo. When you're like seasoned and old and you
appreciate the car.
Yeah, you appreciate the car more. I'm not old or seasoned, and I also don't appreciate cars, but I think I might go ahead and get a Ferrari. I don't know, though. We about to go in here when it starts slowing down. Somebody just walked in there. I ain't gonna lie. They got more balls than us to walk in the rain, and we don't want to walk in the rain. That's crazy.
No, we're just smarter.
Yes, yeah. We're the Ferrari buyers.
We're the ones trying to buy the Ferrari. They're the ones
buying the Lambo Huracan. Getting their Nissan Altima wrapped matte black with butterfly doors. I'm not gonna lie, he looked pretty rich.
He probably owns his dealership, to be honest.
He might actually be the owner.
The most money I've ever lost on a new Mercedes-Benz.
And you said the inside is the black and red.
Black and red, yeah.
How many miles?
This one only has 16,000 miles on it. You'll be the first one to be
Let's
able
go.
to see. There's already 4 inquiries on it and all that.
Really? How? It just came in yesterday.
Nobody's selling their G63s right now.
On paper, it sounds pretty good. It's not. What was the recall for?
It has to do with the axle. Car, yeah. This is the spec that everybody wants.
Wait, so the touchscreen is gonna be here?
Yeah, so I mean, this one doesn't have a touchscreen.
Yeah, no, but that's such a small surface for a touchscreen.
But it's exactly going to be the same thing. It's just gonna have a touch. You can touch it. Press on that volume button on the right. Let's turn it on. I mean, what did you think of that car that we just saw?
I like it. Obviously, it has a couple small nooks. Always gravitate to the most. Even I think last time you showed us one. I did want one that's a little bit less mileages.
Very rare to get something under 10,000 miles.
Yeah. No, I'm perfectly fine with even the range that it's at right now, 18.
Another good thing is that car will be certified. You know, I don't know how long you plan to keep your car, but
I want to be like you when I grow up. I want to keep it long enough to wait for my other one to come.
You buy the car, and I'll let you know when they open the order books, and you place an order.
All right, so leaving here now. I like the car, but it had a little bit too much mileages for what mileages. I can't even talk. Too many miles for kind of what I was looking for. I might still give it a go. What I plan on doing right now.
It's got all those dents, bro.
Yeah, it does have a bunch of dents and scratches, but it's a G Wagon. It's a rough car.
It's like someone hit it from the back.
Pause, yeah. That's why I asked him, because I asked him, I don't know if he got on camera, if it's ever been in any accidents. He didn't pull it up to see if it has actually been in accidents. But I just kind of wanted to make sure. I still have a couple more months. I want to get it by the end of the year. I'm on his list now to call me if any new ones come in. They're extremely hard to get because, like it was saying, a lot of people want for G Wagons, especially the kind I'm looking for with the interior that I want. A lot of people like that one, but hoping by the end of the year we'll be able to find something. If not, we're gonna find something. There's freaking 4 months left. There's no way in 4 months I don't find the perfect one that I'm more so looking for that is not chopped. All right, y'all, back at the crib now. As I was explaining to you guys, I don't think the car is gonna be a good fit. I ain't gonna lie. He sent me the VIN number. I forgot to tell you, Brian. He sent me the VIN number. I'm gonna actually look it up to see if it's been in any accidents because he never told me, so I'm assuming it's been in accidents. But this one's freaking $30,000 cheaper, almost $40,000 cheaper. That's a little red flag right there. I'm telling them about the car.
Did you miss me? Mm-hmm. You didn't even tell me about the car.
Oh yeah, I didn't tell her about the car. So we bought a Ferrari.
No, we didn't. You don't
Yeah.
like Ferraris.
No, I actually did like this one. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty nice.
That is pretty nice. You have to get a G Wagon.
Over a Ferrari?
No, a G Wagon.
Over, like, get a G Wagon instead of a Ferrari?
Yes.
We'll think about it. But we'll keep looking. Honestly, this video and me going to these, I guess, dealerships have opened my eyes that maybe one day I actually will buy a Ferrari. I won't buy a Lamborghini.
Yeah, I think I could see you driving a Ferrari, but I think you should wait until you're like 40. Because it's going to make me look at you like
Unless you get like an SF90.
Exactly. I'll get an SF90.
What's that one? Let me
It's
see.
like $800,000.
why do you need a car that's 8? That's bad financial decisions.
It's 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, it's 1,000 horsepower. So it's
When are you
actually
ever
cheap.
going to use that?
It's actually cheap. It's less than
You're going to go to
$1,000.
jail if you use that.
It's on sale right now for what, 50% off? It makes sense.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Brian's lying for you. You guys are both lying.
No, Brian wouldn't lie.
480,
Look at Brian. He's
483.
not a liar. He's telling the truth.
They're nice cars.
But I think we're finna go G Wagon. I don't know
Yes,
when.
G-Wagon.
I'm gonna buy the G Wagon. Hoping pretty soon. But anyways, y'all, that's about the end of the video. I ain't gonna lie. Today was just a really chill day. I didn't trade at all.
He missed his family when he went to go look at cars. He missed
I was
us
talking
so
about
much.
it all on the vlog.
Yeah, I bet you were. I'm gonna watch this vlog.
Right, Brian?
Yeah.
See, your friend lies for you.
No, he didn't. But yeah, man, I ain't take no trades today. I ain't do nothing except for go look at some freaking cars. We ain't buy no cars. Anyways, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching the video. More videos coming soon. If y'all like this video and y'all want to be able to learn how to trade, I suggest y'all watch this video right here. This video, I went over how to start drawing support and resistance zones the right way. So stop drawing it the wrong way and losing money. I'll see you guys in this video.